Eccoci qua con l'asta stick in questione, molto ben fatta, tutta di materiale bello rigido, metallo e plastica. Ha un treppiedi molto comodo e un tasto Bluetooth. Adesso lo faccio uscire così. Un tasto Bluetooth per effettuare le foto a distanza. Si piazza il treppiedi qua, ci si mette in posizione lì, con un facile clic a distanza si può scattare la foto senza mettere il timer, ma con grande facilità. Lo rimettiamo al suo posto. Questo pulsante ha una batteria incredibile, l'ho comprato un paio di mesi fa, non l'ho mai ricaricato e funziona sempre. Vediamo come si apre il treppiedi. Sto cercando di usare una mano perché di solito questo treppiedi lo utilizzo per fare recensioni o video. Ecco qua, si alza questo man mano che si apre. Appoggio un attimo così vi faccio il video. Eccolo qua, abbiamo aperto la base. Appena aperto è una distanza, due volte una mano, sarà un 35 cm più o meno, ma è davvero estensibile perché aprendo qui ci sono tanti innesti e si alza davvero tanto. Ve lo faccio vedere, appoggio un attimo. Ecco qua come si presenta. Io sono alto 1,70 m e mi arriva precisamente al naso. Molto comodo. Qui presenta uno snodo per reclinare e inclinare leggermente. Forse si poteva inclinare un po' di più. Ecco qui, forse l'unico difetto che ha è proprio questo, che si piega leggermente poco, ma è molto rigido, ben fatto, non perde mai la forza di tenuta. Si può ruotare per fare la ripresa in verticale o orizzontale in questo modo.
Okay, so this is a quick review of this tripod selfie stick. It's got this neat remote that you can trigger while holding it, or you could just pop it off and take it with you and step away from the tripod. I'm gonna do my best to show this off while holding the phone and the tripod. So you just lift it up from here and it comes off. It charges with micro USB. Not crazy about that because now I gotta have a micro USB cable, but you know, whatever, it came with it, so I guess I can't complain. It pairs with Bluetooth. It really was like nothing to pair it to my phone. You have this push button at the bottom here. You just press this and it engages the legs to open. Again, I'm doing this with one hand, so it would be a lot easier with two hands, so I'm doing my best to show you what it's like. And you just get it to the floor, and I'm going to open it up. And once I have it open, I'm just leaning on it just because, again, I'm holding the phone, and it goes all the way up. And this is probably, I want to say, I don't know the exact height of this, but it's eye level. You know, it's kind of where I am, and I'm 5'7", if that tells you anything. And this has got, you know, some stability to it. I found, you know, it's pretty stable. And on top of that, it's got versatility with the head. So whether you're gonna just tilt it this way and take a photo from far away, you can get a nice wide shot if you have the wide angle lens cameras, which most of them all come with these days anyway. And to put the whole thing back together is like a piece of cake. You literally just press down on it, push it all the way in, and then you just pull it towards you, and it snaps together just like that. It's got the size of like a kid's light sword if you wanted to compare it size-wise and figure out what it's going to be like if you're taking on vacation, or, you know, it's not the kind of thing I think I want to just walk around with all day in my hand. But if I just wanted to pack it in a day pack, this actually, it's not too light, and yet it's got some good quality, I guess, build quality to it that makes it feel solid. So I recommend this. And hey, if you don't like it, you could always return it, but I like it. Good luck.
Okay, so here is the selfie stick slash tripod. You can kind of get an idea for how big it is. Ignore the fluff in the background. I have a dog. This is the stick. You just press the button on the bottom and it pops these out, and then you pull them out and then pull up, which is really nice. It gets, I'm 5'3", and it gets to where I can face the camera and then a little bit taller, but I like facing the camera. This little guy moves up and down on this, which is cool. Then it moves side to side. Then you can obviously scoot it this way and this way. This can also move forward and backward, which is nice. Then when you want to close it, you just poke this little guy down and then do that. And squish these together. Super easy to use. It's come in handy for all of my TikTok videos. And yeah, nice to look at and pretty small. Like, this is like about the same size as my forearm. I've traveled with it. Nobody said anything. I was like worried it's like a baton, but no, nobody cared. And it has this little remote guy on it that you can connect to your phone, so then you can like take pictures. Just nice. I don't really use that function, but I know that it's a good one to have.
This is very nice. Nice and sturdy. This is where you push to open it. This is your remote. Let me take the remote out. The manual said it takes 1 hour to charge. Okay, you push this to open it. You hold it here and push in here. See how easy it came open? Okay. This is where you put your phone. You pull that up, it comes off of this little latch. Put your phone in there. Has different angles. This extends, the one I got extends 67 inches.
This is a portable tripod. I ordered it off Amazon. It's so perfect. I'm so excited to use it. I've actually already used it several times just at home. It's very lightweight, but I will say you could probably pack a good punch with it. It's got this little remote that's Bluetooth connected to it, and when you hold down the button, it connects to your phone. This piece is removable, and you can hold it in your hand while you're standing away from your phone that's on the tripod. To turn it off, you just hold down the button and you'll see the little light go off. When you're done with it, you just snap it back in place and voila, there you go. Okay, to open it, you just press this button at the bottom. It releases. You use this top piece, pull that out. You'll want to push the base down. And now you can really extend it as high as you want to go or as low as you want to go. It's really tall, honestly. I'm 5'8", and it can be at eye level with me. To put your phone in, you're going to want to put it in base first and then adjust the top piece. Now to close it, literally just push it in and it snaps closed.
Here's the tripod. As you can see, I have used it a handful of times. Family pictures, group photos, super nice. Comes with a remote, which I loved. And you can stand it and make it super tall. The best part about this one is that when you put your phone, you can lean it forward. So if you're like taking a picture or making a video, like this is amazing. And then you can store it literally anywhere because it fits on your backpack, if it's on your pocket, like here, that's it. You put it right here. It's really small, so practical.
Hi, I'm currently testing the TONEOF 60-inch tripod, and I have connected the tripod to my iPhone via Bluetooth, and I'm using the remote to start the video, and it seems to be working. I will upload an update video maybe after a month of usage and see how seamlessly it's working.
Taping the birds.
The best tripod? I got it. It's cute, it's compact, and it can fit in my bag. It comes with a little itty bitty remote that attaches to the tripod so you don't lose it. All I have to do is press this button to expand it. It gets up to 64 inches in height. I can rotate my phone, and ever since I got it, it's been a big help.
You're inspired to be a content creator and you already are looking for your tripod? Look no further. See this sucker? Literally my freaking height. Perfect, right? Then it closes up perfectly like this. Snap. Goes right in the purse.